Come,
join,
arise,
and shine.
Wish you all the best.
FX Polytechnic College, Tharuvai, Tirunelveli, 8 km from New Bus Stand.
Welcome to everyone. It is so wonderful to see you all there on this day. My hearty welcome to all participants from our college and other colleges and also industries. Today webinar on application of computers in chemistry organized by the Department of Science and Humanities, FX Polytechnic College, Tharuvai, Tirunelveli. I would like to introduce today's resource person, Dr. R. Subramanian, Assistant Professor and also Head of the Department of Chemistry, MSU College, Govindaperi, Tirunelveli. He completed UG in St. John's College, PG in Kurinji Arts and Science College, and also completed MPhil in Urumbu Dhanalakshmi College, and also successfully completed PhD in Manoன்மணியம் Sundaranar University. Studies about metal complexes catalyst oxygenation reaction. He got awards from MS University Tirunelveli and also award from Central Institute of Indian Language, Mysore at Karnataka. He organized many programs like webinar on opportunities in chemistry. He published many books and also presented a paper at national and international conference. I am sure that this webinar well much meaning and also provoking and useful to all participants. Now I hand over to this session to the resource person. Thank you.
Warm greetings to all. I am Dr. R. Subramanian, Assistant Professor and Head in the Department of Chemistry, MS University College, Govindaperi, Tirunelveli. First of all, I would like to thank the organizers and the management of FX Polytechnic College, Tirunelveli for this giving wonderful opportunity. So, today my topic is applications of computers in chemistry. So, at the end of the session, you know about what is meant by computational chemistry, then the applications of software in chemistry, and you know about what are the freely and commercially available software related to chemistry. So this is the main aim of my presentation. So what is the use of chemistry? What is the use of computer in chemistry? You know very well about computers because computer plays a vital role in our daily life. Without computer, we can't do any single work. So in chemistry, it will minimize the time, hazards of chemicals, and minimize the cost and minimize the manpower, etc. So minimize the time means in olden days, if you do any chemical reactions, means sometimes the chemical reaction may be failures. So here, if you are using a software to run the chemical reactions, means we can find the reaction is proceed or not. So we can easily find out by using the computers, and we can easily find the hazards of the chemicals also, and we can reduce the cost, manpower, etc. In olden days, if you are checking the activity of any newly developed drug, means we just check the activity of the drug to inject the drug to the animals, then only can find the activity. But nowadays there is not necessary to check it. Not only in chemist drug field, and also cosmetics and other chemical field. So you can easily find the activity or nature of the chemicals by using a chemistry softwares. So in this session, I just explained what are the softwares available. So before going to the softwares, first I will explain what is meant by computational chemistry. It's nothing but it's a branch of chemistry to solve chemical problems by using a computer, that is called as a computational chemistry. That means we can get a results of any chemical problems from computer, that is a computational chemistry. And what are the problems we can solve? That means we can solve quantum mechanics related problems, then molecular mechanics, simulation studies, minimization of energy of the molecules, and confirmation analysis, molecular charges, molecular docking, etc. There's a lot of applications are there. So these are the collectively called as a computational chemistry. So these are some of the examples. There is a molecular docking. There is in silico to discovery. That means discovery of new drug by using computers. That is called as a drug development field. So here a lot of softwares are there. Molecular docking software there. By using molecular software, we can find the activity of the molecules. These are new reactions. How to carry on the chemical reaction by using computer. There is a peptide chain link. There is an animation. This is the energy profile diagram of any chemical reactions. From that energy profile diagram, we can find the activity of the molecules. That is activation energy, or we can calculate thermoanalytical data. For example, enthalpy, entropy. So everything we can calculate by run the job from computers. This is an example for molecular docking. Molecular docking means it is a small molecule bind with a macromolecule, for example DNA or RNA. So we can get an activity of the molecule. Depending upon the activity, we can design the binding sites, but not binding site, design the small molecules by using computers. So that is a molecular docking. There is a hydrogen molecule in MOF, that is a molecular dynamics. Next one, chemometrics. So in that word, metrics means there is a measurement. So science of relating measurements made on a chemical system. So that is called as a chemometrics. So the chemical discipline that uses mathematical and statistical methods to design or optimal measurement procedures and experiments. For example, if you are going to design a chemical reactions means we can use chemometrics methods, and we can easily calibrate any instruments by using chemometrics. Next one, chem informatics. So that is nothing, information about any chemistry related problem. That is called as a chem informatics. The applications of informatics method to solve chemical problems. So that is a chem informatics. Nowadays, if you are searching any chemical compound from Google, it will give all the information related to that searching structures. For example, if you are searching benzene means, it will give the history of benzene, molecular formula, molecular weight, and spectrum of the molecule. That is collectively called as a chem informatics. That is a very useful in QSAR studies. That is a quantitative structure activity relation studies and searching a chemical structures, structure elucidation, then drug designing. So this is a collective called chem informatics. That it interlinked with the other disciplines like information, mathematics, statistics. So this is the main topic. There are two types of application of computer in chemistry. One is interfacing and another one is software applications. Interfacing means a computer is connected to an instrument for data collection. For example, if you are going to measure UV or NMR, IR spectrum of a particular sample means you just put the sample in a particular instrument. That instrument is connected with PC. So just run the job means you can get the spectrum of that particular compound. This is called as the interfacing software. But I'm not going to explain about the interfacing software. I'm going to explain the application oriented software only. That is data analysis, simulation, structural searching, molecular modeling, drug designing, quantum mechanics oriented softwares. So this is my main aim. Before going to the software, what are the information we are getting from the calculations? That means if you are run a quantum mechanical software means you can get a single point energy calculations for a particular molecule. That means you can easily calculate the energy of the molecules and geometry of the optimized structures. Then vibrational frequency. Vibrational frequency means from that vibrational frequency we can get a spectrum of IR spectrum and also Raman spectroscopy for new compound and already discovered compound. Then we can easily find the transit state of the reactions. Transit state means that is nothing. The chemical, when a chemical reaction is carried out, reactant is converted to product. In between, it will forming a transit state. So we can calculate the transit state from computers. Then molecular dynamics simulations. Then we can find thermo-analytical data by running a quantum based software. If you run a quantum based, that means a DFT studies means you can get more information from the softwares. So I will explain what are the softwares are available in our next slides. So these are the main application softwares. That means chemical structure drawing software, like it's a paint. When we are using a computer, we are using paint, MS Paint. Like that in chemistry also, we can draw a structures by using some softwares. So what are the softwares are available for drawing? Then molecular modeling software, simulation software, density functional theory software. It is a main application of softwares because we can solve the Schrödinger equation for a particular molecule by seeing it's not it's not easy, but if you are using a computer means we can easily solve the Schrödinger equation for a particular molecule. That is called as a density functional theory software, and also we can easily search uh, structure of a particular molecule and structural elucidation that is done by a computers. Then molecular docking. Already told. Um, this is the main application of software. That means if you are doing research in the pharma field, drug discovery, that is a very important thing. So in every pharma company, they are using a very costly software like a Schrödinger to elucidate or design a molecule, particular molecule. That is a docking, molecular docking. Then data interpretation. Data interpretation means we can get some data from any instrument. We can interpret. That means that we can easily elucidate the uh, infrared spectrum or Raman spectrum or NMR or UV. We can easily interpret from the data. So what are the data interpretation software? I will explain. There is a, for example, Origin. It's a very good example for data interpretation software. So let us see one by one. This is a Chem Doodle 2D. இதோட name it's a Chem Doodle 2D ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. So from this software we can easily drawing a chemical structures and we can get more information about a particular structures. But this software is not a freely available software. There is a price of the software is around 56,000. There is a commercial software. Most of the companies they are using this software. These are the main features of ChemToodle. So here we can draw a 2D structure and also 3D structures, and we can generate IUPAC name of the particular particular structures, and we can get the chemistry related information. That is, we can easily calculate the molecular formula, molecular weight, boiling point, melting point, everything. And also we can run a chemical reactions. Then we can get more information about spectroscopy related problems. These are the main features. So this is a home page of ChemToodle. This is tools for drawing a bond. There is a dotted bonds, solid wedge bond, then double bond, single bond, triple bond, then arrow. You can easily use it. And these are the template window for drawing a class verse and orbitals, biology related, then instrument related. So you can easily draw it. Just click and drop model. So this is a 2D structure of any chemical structures, and we can convert the 2D structure into 3D structure with the symbols. We can save the image. Sorry, some problem in my computer. So this is a 2D structure. We can convert 2D into 3D structure. So this is a template window in ChemToodle. So there is a adapters. You can get a different adapters and column chromatography connectors, then funnel. Any classes we can easily get from the template window. Then this is a BioVia draw. The software used for drawing a complex molecule, and we can easily run a chemical reactions and we can solve the chemical sequence. For example, if you are getting a DNA or RNA from a protein data bank, we can find the sequence of a molecule by using this software. Most of the pharma company, they are using a BioVia draw. Here that is a commercial software, not a free software, and we can easily view and we can animate the molecule by using these softwares. So last two softwares are commercially software, but this is on Chemaxon. It's a free software. You can easily download from the Google, and you can use it in your laptop or PC for drawing structures. You can easily edit your structures, and you can also get information about that particular structure. So those who are interested, you can just go on Google and easily download it. Next one, there is a HyperChem. This is not a free software. That is a commercial software around in $1,500. 1,500. This software is used in quantum chemistry and solid state physics to solve the quantum chemistry related problems, and we can use animation purpose also. By using this software, you can run a molecular mechanics, molecular dynamics, but it is not a free software. Next one, Gaussian. Those who are doing PhD in computational chemistry, most of the people are using Gaussian software only. The software rate around 1,50,000. Just imagine it. It's a very costliest software. By using this software, we can easily solve quantum chemistry and also solid state physics, material science, and biological problems. From this, we can easily calculate by using this software. If you draw a chemical molecule by using the software and run a job, that is a DFT method or fetch-up method or semi-empirical methods, you can get more information from that job. That means you can get a energy of the molecule and optimized structures and transit state of the molecules, then IR and Raman spectrum. From that you can easily calculate, and also we can easily get the thermoanalytical data, that is a enthalpy and entropy of a particular molecule, and we can easily calculate the Mulliken charges, dipole moment. There is a lot of applications are there in this software. If you got time, you just go this website, that is a Gaussian.com. If you are interested to learn Gaussian, you just attend a workshop. Every year they are conducting a workshop. Those who are doing BSc, MSc and PhD in science field, doing research in computational means you just go through it. I already told Schrödinger. There is a very famous software in drug discovery and material designing. Nowadays, scientists are using a software to solve uh, drug discovery problems. Yes, a new drug developing a new drug is not an easy process. So if you are doing without computers means we can take it will take more time, cost and manpower. If you are doing a job by using a computers means we can easily reduce the cost and manpower, everything. So this is the main software in drug developments. Sorry. This is a home page of the software. So here the small molecules is binding with a macro molecule. That is a molecular docking. Molecular docking is nothing a small molecule like a drug that is binding with a macro molecule. Maybe in the macro molecule, maybe a RNA or DNA, any protein molecules. Next one, quantum es- espresso. There is a molecular modeling and molecular dynamics software. This is also a commercial software. This is not a free software. From this software, we can easily solve the quantum related problems. We can calculate the HOMO-LUMO energy and single point energy calculations like that. Then it is the same. It's a scissor star. It's the same as a Gaussian and quantum espresso software. This is also a commercial software, not a free software. AppNet. This is same as like a uh, espresso, Gaussian, and games. The last three softwares are commercial software. So here I will introduce a free software that is also the best software in freely available software. That is a CP2K. That is a open source molecular dynamics software. By using this software, you can easily calculate the simulation studies of solid state, liquid, molecular, and periodic materials, crystal, biological system. Any systems you can easily solve it by using these softwares. You can run a different basic set, different methods by using this software. This is the only software freely available and different methods. That means DFT method, LDA method, GCA, MP2 method. There's a lot of methods are available. So those who are interested, you just go Google and just this is the website name cp2k.org. You can easily download and install in your laptop or PC. This is like a Gaussian. So this is the software fetch size equal to E size. So we can solve this. This is Schrödinger equations. So we can solve the Schrödinger equation by using these games. This is like a Gaussian software. Games means the general atomic and molecular electronic structure system. This is the game software. This is also a very costly software, around 1,50,000, above 1,50,000. This is not a free software. Next one, Samson. That is a freely available software for molecular drugging. That means you can design a new drug by using this software, and you can design a material for a particular system and nano systems. For example, if you are designing a new nanotube by using simple chemicals, means you can use this software. It is a freely available software. You can easily download. This is a website, samson.connect.net. So you can easily download it. So I want to introduce a new term, that is a SMILES. SMILES is nothing simplified molecular input line entry system. That means this is the structure of decalin. So the decalin structure is converted into straight chain. So that is called as a SMILES. The file extension is .smi. So I will explain what are the uses of SMILES in upcoming slides. So this is a Avogadro software. So it's the best software for molecular modeling. and molecular, that means bioinformatics, material science related areas. From this software, you can easily minimize the energy of a particular molecule. So I will show it. I just use this software past 1 year. So this Avogadro. There is a freely available software, so you can use it. Very user friendly software. So there is a structure of ethane, but the mistake is the bond between the C1 and C2, it's very large. So we can easily minimize by using go to extension and optimize geometry. You can get the original structure of the molecules. So that is the main applications of this software. And also you can use molecular mechanics. That means calculate energy, conformation search, constraints. Then you can create a input file for game software, AppNet software, Talton games. These are the software's name for doing a quantum and solid state physics related work. There is a Gaussian. We can easily create a input file for creating an input file in to run a Gaussian software is a important thing. So from this software, we can usually create a input file for Gaussian, MolPro, MOVAC, lot of applications, and also we can create a surface. So here you can easily create a van der Waals force for a particular molecule. So it's a very interesting software. So just use it. It's a freely available software. Download and also you can easily create a nanotube. Nano builder is there. So download it and use it. Next, uh, Avogadro is used for molecular modeling and bioinformatics, but ACD ChemSketch, that is a purely for drawing a chemical structures, and we can get any chemistry related drawing. There is organic chemistry or inorganic chemistry or organometallics, polymers, any structures we can easily draw by using a ChemSketch. That is a free software. It's a lot of applications that are there. So just go through the Google and type ACD labs. You can download it. So just one form is there. You can fill up it and you can easily download the ChemSketch. So I'll show how to do work. There is a comparison between the commercial and freeware software. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 features are not available in freeware, but this is enough for those who are doing PhD or MSc, BSc in chemistry or material or physics related subjects. So you can easily download it. So I'll show how to use the software. It's a free version. So here you can, will give some tips for you. Every day they will give some tips. You can get a prediction of 2D and 1D NMR spectra and ADME process. That is a main thing. Adsorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. You can easily calculate from this software. So you just go through it. I will show how to draw a structure. Just click. You can get a methane and drop it. It's a very easy software to draw a structures. So here I will draw the structure, but I don't know the name of the structure. Just select all, then tools, generate name for the structures. So you can get a name, no name. That is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 carbon is there. So name is no name. Again I will select the molecule, then go to tools, then calculate. Here I will give all the properties. So just see this. For a single molecule, we can get a molecular formula, molecular weight, then composition of the molecule. There is a carbon percent, abundance of carbon and hydrogen percentage, then molar refractivity, molar volume. It's a lot of chemical properties are there. There is a chem information. So we can get a more information related to particular structures. So just use this software. So just delete it. And also you can, lot of template window is available. There is a benzene ring. So I will just click the ring and again I will click. So I don't know the structures means, just select, then go to tools, generate name for structures. So you can get the name. Just delete it. I already told the smiles files. So now we are creating a smiles for a particular structures. So go to tools, generate smiles notation. So there is a straight chain. This is the smiles file of any molecule. We try one another molecule. So can create molecules. Just select, then go to tools, generate name for structures. So you can get there is a butyl 1, 2, 3, 4. So butane, benzene, it's substituent benzene, so butyl benzene. So you can easily calculate the properties. If you want a particular property, that means molecular formula means click it. So you can get a molecular formula of the particular structures C10H14. Okay. Then another thing is template window. That's you just click a template window. You can get alkaloids, carbohydrates, DNA, RNA kit, lab kit. So here a lot of already told in BioVia or uh, some other commercial software. So you can just click and paste it. So you can change the color also. You can easily paste the color. That is a template window. Then Newman projections. There is a eclipse structure, staggered structure of molecules. Then you can easily draw orbitals, s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, f orbitals. Then phosphorus containing compounds. You can easily just paste it. Just click and paste it. Then steroids. So it's not easy to draw a structure of steroids, but in this software they are providing a template window. Then sugars, terpenes. So lot of applications that use it. And one more application is uh, structure. So I just click benzene, again a benzene, then select. Then here log P value. So you can usually calculate the log P value of that molecule. You can usually calculate, and also you can search a PubChem E molecules. When we search a molecule, if you are searching by E molecules means you can get more information about that structures. So that is a main application, and you can save this image, sorry, this structure as a image. We can export or save as. So just click it. Here lot of file items are there, more file, ISI sketch, then TIFF image, JP image, PNG image. You can save this structure as an image or any format. You can use it. So those who are interested, go and download from the Google and use it. That is a very useful software. I use this one past 7 years. Next one, that is a Chem Office. This is like a HCD Chem Sketch. So you can use the software to draw a 2D and 3D structures for a particular compound. So I will show how to draw a structure by using this software. So this is the tools for drawing drawing a molecule. This is a solid bond. So just click. Same as like a Chem sketch. So here you can structure to name. So you can get a name of a particular structure. And one more application is that you can convert the name to structure. If you are drawing a phenol, phenol, you can get a structure of the phenol. You can easily rotate it in any format, and you can change the color of the molecule. Just I will select delete, and you can easily select, then change the color of the particular molecules. And you can generate a name structure to name. So you can generate a structure to name. Also, you can easily calculate the So just go to first select the molecule and go to analysis window. Here you can calculate the molecular formula of the particular molecule and calculate the exact mass and molecular mass of the molecule. M by E value, this is a very important in this software. M by E means there is a mass spectra value. Then elemental analysis. If you draw a particular compound means what are the elements present and how much percentage are there. We can easily calculate by using the software. Here carbon percentage 76 and hydrogen 6.43 percentage and oxygen 17.17 percentage. And I can easily paste it and use in job. And one more thing is I select the molecule. So copy from then paste. So you can select the molecule. There is a copy. Then go to Chem 3D Ultra. So you can paste it. So this is a stick model, and you can change the stick model into wireframe model, and this is ball and stick model. That's cylindrical bonds. That's space filling model. You can change the models by using this one. Most probably we are using a ball and stick model only. So now we are rotate the molecule by using analysis, spin about x-axis. This that is a molecule will rotate around the x-axis. Next, spin about y-axis. Then analysis, spin about z-axis. Now you can find the difference between the rotation of x, y, z axis of the molecules. So that is a main application of the software. Not only main application, it's one of the application, and you can run a job for molecular dynamics. So here you can choose run, and the molecule get vibrated for a particular temperature. It will get vibrated, and after some few minutes, it will unstable state. It will give you a stable structure of the molecules, and you can create input file for a games, Gaussian, any quantum based software by using this Chem 3D. There is a Chem Office software, and you can usually rotate, or you can create a input file for DFT related softwares. It will be giving a stable structure of the molecules. There is a molecular dynamics, and you can you can save the structures and JPG, PDF format, or any format you can save it, and you can change the color of the background. This is not a free software, it is a commercial software. Those who are doing BSc, MSc or PhD, the software will be more useful to them for creating an input file for any DFT oriented softwares. We can change the temperature, and that is a stable molecule, so you can easily rotate the molecule. Rotate it. This is the stable structure of the molecules. So these are the main application of the software. I hope I explained what are the softwares available freely and commercially softwares. If you have any doubt or clarification, send a mail to me, rsmani84@gmail.com. I will ready to clarify for you. Thank you. Once again, I thank the organizing committee and the management of Apex Polytechnic College. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.
Good evening, all. Once a great man said, feeling thankfulness and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. On behalf of Francis Xavier Polytechnic College, I take this moment to propose vote of thanks to those who have directly and indirectly contributed to this webinar on applications of computer in chemistry organized by the Department of Science and Humanities. At the outset, I would like to thank our resource person Dr. R. Subramanian for his knowledge sharing session. I would like to thank our chairman and managing director for their motivation. I would like to thank our principal for his enthusiastic support. A special thanks to organizing committee for their unflinching support. I would like to thank our participants for actively participating in this webinar. With these warm words, I would like to call it a day. Thank you.